Okay, I'm back, and now I'm going to I finally got all the parts to build the rear brake assembly, and it has taken kind of like 2 weeks to get the parts, and in particular the bearings. So I'm going to actually go part by part. Again, I'm using Steve Slocombe's book, and I have all the parts. So let's pull the parts out, and I'm going to start with the roller bearings. And there are some parts in here that are just, they don't exist anymore. And in particular, there's some roller bearings right here. They don't exist anymore. This spacer does not exist anymore. It is impossible to find them. And so these three pieces will be replaced by these two needle bearings. And these actually have a greater load capacity than those two roller bearings anyway. And so that is the game plan. We're going to use those roller bearings. And let's take this. So we are going to I'm going to start with this. This is the rear, I guess, brake axle sleeve. There is a felt washer that goes on that, and then there are two felt washers that go over this. I've already got the two felt washers over this. Then we have the hub assembly, and then we have basically the roller bearings, the spacer, the roller bearings, and then we have we have basically, I don't want, it's not a washer really. Again, it's supposed to be a washer. Then we have a clip, and then we have a couple more felt washers, and then we have a large spacer. And then we have a spacer, and then we have a nut. So let's work on this now. I just put this in the freezer to chill it down a little bit. So, and I'm going to actually grease everything up too. Alright, this is where it gets really hard, or where I get nervous. So, we're going to put a bearing in. Well, two bearings in really. I just need to tap that in. Okay, that really went in very well. Next up is a spacer. I guess not a spacer, it's like a washer. The next up, I gotta take my gloves off, is a snap ring. And I got the, I went onto the Vintage Motorcycle Organization's website, and they have like a forum. And well, this snap ring will never fit, actually. There we go. Okay, so we have that on there. That actually worked out so much better than I thought it would. Let me go get that, and let me go get 3977-30. Okay, I actually already have 3977.30. It's actually already installed. And then we have 3979, which is this felt washer. So I am going to grease this up. It really fits, I guess, really well. I mean, it's fitting perfectly like it should. All right. A burr in it or something.